right now.
Me too. I don't care if your beautiful lips exist out there, 'cause I'm wonderless. Why the best can't make it in Hollywood no more. It's like a long drag, take it before the sun hits the white sky, like the birds at night, and it's fake. Sorry,
Someone's staring at me.
oh yeah. I'm gonna cry.
No, I'm just like, if Angus isn't so strange, Angus busy. He'll respond later.
Literally, go to the fucking concert. Can't wait just to see you again, and your two faces are locked on mine. Had the worst time chasing the thought away. No, yeah, I'm a fake. Maybe you're to blame. Maybe I'm a star, stumbling drunk lights. My mistakes I've made won't leave me alone. Oh no.
You guys look amazing tonight. Thank you for showing up. And
If you don't find me on the front stage, find a way to say that you saw me. And if you don't find me in the movie, find a way to say that you knew me. Don't care.
Toronto, make some noise.